So hi guys, how are you? So today I'm going to start once again our YouTube lecture series, and through that I'm going to teach you all those new interesting things related to data science. And just wait, give me some times. Just I'm connecting through my phone, laptop and tab, so it will require some time to connect. So I hope everyone is doing very well study and you are taking the benefits of all those latest AI technologies, specifically artificial intelligence. And I hope you have now get to know that how artificial intelligence is creating the impact such as ChatGPT. And I hope everyone have used that ChatGPT, OpenAI ChatGPT. Please go through that and do some interesting things, because it's such a interesting one that whatever you are searching or whatever you are questioning to the ChatGPT, it's within the fraction of second it will going to give you all those answers. Then it's maybe related to the Python or anything. So those questions may be related to Python, HTML pages, class, your any engineering maths problem or any technique, terminology, concepts, everything. And do you know its basic thing is that it's trained on those all unstructured data by using the NLP. And in previous video I have taught you about the SPACY, transformer, BERT model. So ChatGPT is nothing but it's only based on all those parts. So long form of ChatGPT, long form of GPT is generative pre-trained transformer, and all those including those I have mentioned here some parts and points. I will going to click all those here. So those are the token to vector, then name entity recognition, then here are some models, optimizers. And you must know that transformers consist of encoding and decoding, and generative pre-trained transformer is nothing but the transformer is trained on all those data. So I have covered all those points in the previous lectures, and I hope you are watching all those and reading, and you are also improving your skills. And in today's world it's very important, because if you ask any questions to the ChatGPT, most of the cases it gives the very well and correct answer. So it's nothing but the AI now trying to get equally with our human sense. In fact, I will say it's going to advance as compared to the human, because whatever we are going and asking it, it's giving the very well and good answers. So please improve your skills, and also always try to take the benefits of all those AI technology. So I will write here some points. I don't know how it looks like, but I hope I'm not going to sit towards the monitor on the webcam again and again. So I'm going to start here some writing points, and through that I'm going to teach you all about once again SPACY model. The latest new is ChatGPT. It's generative pre-trained transformer. Then for to understand what is generative pre-trained transformer, I'm going to teach you about the transformer. It's very interesting. You can't believe that artificial intelligence, how it's working and what is the background behind the artificial intelligence. After that transformer, I'm going to teach you about the BERT, types of BERT model, types of transformer model, and so many things. Also I'm going to teach you about some Python coding. Then I'm going to teach you about the Flask API. Then very interesting things about to deploy our models to the virtual machines or server. I'm also going to teach you about the Docker, then how to use AWS server. And I hope if you think that Docker or Kubernetes is very difficult, please let me know that it's very simple. You just need to do some things and some files, and automatically it will going to do all your works, I mean, amazingly. And it's going to store all those images into the one container, and once you start that images, automatically Once you have saved your image, you can put that image into any virtual machine or your desktop or your friend's desktop. Do not need to do anything extra. You just need to load or run that image, and automatically it will going to run your program. So I hope you know what is the importance of artificial intelligence, and how in today's world and industry how it's demanding, and in future how much it has importance. So just stay tuned here and just improve your skills and knowledge. Automatically you will get very huge awards for this as compared to the any other fields, and it's much more rewarding. So just stay tuned to my channel, and in the next video I will going to start teaching you without wasting your time. I'm just taking some trial on that video, and I hope you have liked all those. So I'm going to skip that video, and I will going to meet you in the next video. Okay. So I have need to do some things here. I have need to disconnect it, so otherwise it will not going to give me option. So I'm going to stop my